In today's lectures, we will dealing with the topic energy, and with the topic energy, we will discuss the some points here. This is very simple, and this is from standard 9, chapter number 2, that is heat and work. So let's start the energy. How does it happen? We have asked the three questions here. Look at here, I show you with the highlighter. There are three questions before starting the topic energy. What does it happen? When? If a pot having the plant is kept in the dark, the plant languishes. This is the first point. When we kept the pot in dark, the plant is languishes. The plant मुरझा जाता है. ये क्यों होता है? That is due to the cause of the energy factor, that is light energy. So yes, definitely the plant can't get light in the dark room, so the plant languishes. The second problem, on increasing the volume of music system or TV beyond the limit, the vessels in the house start vibrating. Why the vessels are vibrating in the room? The answer is again, there is a sound energy effect. Due to the cause of sound energy, the vessels are start vibrating in house. This is the second point. And now third, collecting the sunlight on paper with the help of convex lens. Collecting sunlight on the paper with the help of convex lens burn the paper. Why this burn? Because of the light energy. So student, we see here the three another different examples of different energy. The first examples of light energy, the second example is here of sound energy, and third example is of here, that is the light energy. So sound, light, these are the examples of energy. And what is the energy? So we comes for the definitions of energy here. The capacity of body to perform work is called energy, and the unit of work and energy are the same. The unit in SI system is joule, while in CGS system that is urge. These are the very important concept. This concept can be asked in examinations. What is the unit of energy and what is SI unit of energy, that is joule, and what is CGS system unit, that is urge. You have learned that the energy exists in various forms like mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electromagnetic energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, and solar energy. This is the another examples or form of energy. In this chapter we are going to study only two forms of mechanical energy, namely potential energy and kinetic energy. This is very simple concept, and we dealing with only two kinds of energies here. So first thing, kinetic energy. What will happen when the following cases? The first case, a fast cricket ball strike the stump. Definitely the stump will uh, break down there, or stump goes on side when the ball will strike on stump. The striker hits a coin on the carom board. When striker carom hits a coin on carom board, the coin will displace its positions. And third one marble strike another in the game of marble. What happen? These are the similar examples. ये एग्जाम्पल में क्या हो सकता है? The energy is converted, the kinetic energy of one object is converted, or when strike to another object, is energy is passing to another object and another object get in motion. That is the kinetic energy. From the above example, we understand that when the moving object strikes a stationary object, the stationary object moves. Thus, the moving object has some energy, part of all of its share with the stationary object, thereby setting it in motion. The energy which an object has because of its motion is called kinetic energy. So, student, this is the definitions of kinetic energy. What is the definitions? I underlined it. Look at here. The moving object has some energy. Moving energy, sorry, from this. The energy which is an object, the energy, I am repeat it, the energy which an object has because of its motions is called kinetic energy. and the work done by the force displaced stationary object through a distance s is the kinetic energy gained by the object. So kinetic energy is equal to work done on object, that is work done on object we given here by the formula. What is the formula for this work done? That is F into S, that is force into displacement. So kinetic energy is equal to F into S. So this is the formula for overall. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equal to F into S. Now the next topic, expressions for kinetic energy. Suppose a stationary object of mass m moving because of an applied force. Let us u be its initial velocity where u is equal to 0. Let's applied force be F, and this generate an acceleration a in the object, and after time t the velocity of object becomes equal to v. So this is considerations. I highlight here the some points. Look at here, we have a stationary object of mass m and moves because of applied force, and let u, small u, be its initial velocity where u is equal to 0, that is let applied the force capital F. We apply the force capital F, this generate an acceleration is an object, and after a time t the velocity of object becomes equal to v. Initial velocity is u and final velocity become v. The displacement during time s and time factor is s. So the work done on system is denoted as W is equal to F into S. So W is equal to F into S. According to Newton's second law of motions, F is what? F is called mass into accelerations. This is using Newton's second law of equations of motions. However, what is the initial velocity? However, the initial velocity is 0, that is E is equal to 0. That time S is equal to what? S is equal to this expressions we know. S is equal to ut plus 1 half at square. This is the Newton's second equations of motions. So write these equations. What is u? U into t, that will be the 0. That's why S is equal to what? S is equal to 1 half at square. So this is S. Put up this S in this equations, because this is ma is the F and S is the displacement. Ma into 1 half, displacement is what? Displacement is the S. Displacement this S. Okay, so we have put up these equations 1 and equations 2 here, and W becomes W is equal to ma into 1 half at square. So ma, this a and this a multiplied a square, and t is already square, so we have written here in bracket at square. So 1 half ma at square. Using Newton's first equations of motions, v is equal to at. So by using these equations we got here u is the 0, u value of u is 0. So v is equal to what? V is equal to at. So v is equal to 80, put up here the v value of v, square of square on both sides we got here, v square is equal to 80 square. That means 80 square is equal to v square. So final expressions using equation number 3 and 4 we got here W is equal to 1 half mv square. This is the equations for kinetic energy gained by an object of work done on the object. So kinetic energy is equal to W, that is equal to 1 half mv square. This is the expressions for kinetic energy. So student, write these expressions in your notebook. This is very important expressions, and do the study for these expressions, because these expressions can be asked in your examinations for 2 or 3 marks. This is very important expressions. On the basis of these expressions we have to solve the problem here, and this problem we solve in our next video. Thank you.